Hi everybody, it's Claudia, the artsy boomer, back again. Today I'm going to do a traveling tree ring pour, and the colors I'm using are the Loft ready mixed pouring paints as well as Arteza. And in the Loft I am using the phthalo blue. I'm also using a metallic silver and a metallic white. In the Arteza colors, I am using the light sky blue and neon blue. They're very rich, so none of these needed to be worked with Floetrol at all. You just pour directly from the bottle. The colors are amazing. One of the things about using these colors is they are not prone to create cells unless you add silicone, and I'm not adding any silicone here. I'm covering the base right now with the metallic white, just so the paint will be able to flow freely. These paints are fantastic at holding their lines, and also when these paints dry, they dry very glossy, instead of with the products with the Floetrol that have a matte finish. Even though they appear shiny right after the pour, they do turn into a matte finish and only come out back up again when you put your finishing sealer on it. And I'm going ahead with the tree ring, just making the circles, going diagonally on the board and bringing it back right up into the center of what I've already poured in order to add some extra interest to this particular picture. I'm bringing out the heat gun at this point, not to create cells, but in order to pop any air bubbles if there are that have been created. I don't want to be disappointed later with a blister in there. And as I'm rocking this and tilting the paint back and forth, I'm conscious about doing the best I can to maintain some of those deep, rich colors. It's important to stretch your paint and to pour off any excess so that you don't have the problem with glazing or cracking after the picture dries. This just reminds me of a waterfall with the water crashing around. I just am amazed at how lovely this is and the unique look from the way that you do the pouring. As you can see, I'm trying to flow it off to one side there a bit. And bringing you in for a close-up now. You can see for yourself at how well this paint holds the lines. They're just stunning. The lines and the colors, their richness, they really stand out tremendously. And that's what makes this picture unique. And I love the color combination of the silver and the blue. And as this dries, as I said, it stays very shiny. This is just incredible. And look at I love how it gets mixed up in the center from the pour. And there's the waterfall with the waves crashing. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you the next time.